Decades of neglect. I can feel the story it wants to tell.
Well, hello there. We found a beauty. Extensive moss growth, tires are completely flat and dry. Oxidation across the brushed steel. The rubber is completely dry rotted. Extensive surface corrosion under the dust. Okay, let's see what kind of corrosion we're dealing with in here. All right, this is gonna be a lot of work. All right, careful and slow. Easy does it, that's it. Keep it slow, looks good so far. Watch the clearance on the right. Okay, slowly back it up now, just a little more. The oxidation is extensive. Check the subframe for rust too. All right, time to bring you back to life. You're in good hands now. I'll start with the nose. Okay. Keep that pressure high, there's a lot of grit there. Almost there, looking pristine. The rear is done.
Yeah.
Moving along the side.
Yeah.
Just a bit more here. Almost there. Let's get this other one looking just as good. The grain is perfect. Okay, that's phase 3 complete. Now, on to disassembly. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Just needs a little cleaning up. All right, dashboard first. Check the wiring.
Okay.
Seats look cracked, but salvagable after a deep clean. All right, time to remove this. Slow and steady. Just a few more turns.
Yeah.
There, now. Keep it steady, nice and slow. All right, just one last bolt. Got it. All right. All right, alignment looks good. Applying pressure now.
Steady.
Steady.
Make sure it's even.
Perfect. Just need to seat it. Almost done with this one. Look at that shine.
Okay.
Torqued. Excellent fit. Bushings are solid. Diffs looking brand new. All right, mechanical systems complete. Time for the engine rebuild. All right, let's take a look at this. Cylinder 1, bore check, 0.135 millimeters, recording. All right, this next section needs a little more attention.
Yep.
Just spray it down. The engine bay looks perfect. Time for the body finishing. The gap is off here. All right, test section 1 is looking good. All right, time to focus on this curve. Slow. Excellent. Just a few more gaps to check here.
Yes, sir.
Perfect alignment on this panel. Looks good. Connected. Final check. Success. Nice work, team. All right, perfect fit. Now, to secure these bolts, just need to tighten these down properly, and that should do it. All right, dashboard first. Gentle, circular motions. Looks flawless. Now for the leather conditioner on the seat.
All right, that's perfect. Flawless finish.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Every angle shows perfect alignment. Look at that brushed steel.
Yeah.
Restored to perfection.
Yeah.
All right, doors closed. Let's see how she moves.